Hi, I'm Schwendi. For the last 16 years, I spent most of my spare time with gold prospecting. That's what I love to do, go out in the creeks, outdoors, with the family and friends to look for gold. I'm a pretty dedicated gold prospector. It's my passion. My job is being an optical engineer. I design optical systems for metrology and surveying instruments, for example, camera lenses and much more. So, I'm a professional about camera technology, but not about how to use cameras. But videography and photography connects my job with my passion. So after I started with it a few years ago, I found out it's so much fun to do. I was instantly hooked on it. Right now, I'm discovering step by step the fascinating world of videography. I learn with every single video, and I'm more than happy to share what I learn. So this is basically what you will find on my channel. Of course, gold prospecting ranks highest for me in my videos as well. But there's so much more to discover out there, on both sides of the camera lens. So let's grab our camera and go out to discover.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.